What's up, guys? We just made it to pull apart and we're gonna pick up some more pieces for my Accord. Last week I picked up a new console that helps the windows to go up and down, and now we're back to get some interior pieces. So right now the Accord is a tan color and we want to make the Accord like a grey black interior. Last week when we were here, there was an Accord on the lot. I think it was only in for like a couple of days, so everything was pretty much new on the car. But yeah, it's been a week, so hopefully everything is still there. This guy's hard at work. Probably forklifting more cars into the lot. And I guess if the cars are too bit empty, then they take those off the lot as well. There she is. Oh no, it's not. They've moved it.
Oh no.
So we're gonna follow Alex now and find the right section. Can't believe so much changed in a week. Crazy. That's how it is in this place. You have to be quick. Because what you see the previous week, you might not see the next week. In fact, this whole middle part wasn't here last week. Last week, this was all full of cars in the middle right here. Oh, we found it. Oh wow, perfect. Look, this is exactly what we came here for. And last week, it was stuck. Someone took it out for us, thanks. That's exactly what we need. All right, so that's one panel. Now we need 3 more. Let's see what else is left on the inside. Well, our trunk is still there.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's true.
I mean, we haven't pull it down and let's actually see. Oof. Looks good. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's Black Friday, guys, as well. So I think if you're a member, you get 30 or 40% off. Yeah. So we're literally here the day after Thanksgiving, trying to get a good deal. So if we were to take these seat covers off, how do we go about it? What do we need to take off?
The whole seat out.
Yeah.
And then remove the seat covers.
What's that in your hand, man?
Good panels.
Good smells.
Trims. This covers, I believe, the fuse box. This is part of the rear. This is the front driver's side where the, gas cap latch and whatnot are at.
And then we got a door panel over here that's taking up the whole space.
Yeah, love that.
But look how good it looks.
It does look good.
We might need to get 2 wheelbarrows.
Yeah, you might. Just might.
So we're going with this. We just had a look to make sure there's no cigarette. Oh gosh, yeah. Dangerous. Very dangerous. When you go to junkyards, be careful of glass and sticky bits. We're probably going to leave the passenger side just because that's the side where the accident was and there might be glass in it or something. We don't want to risk it. This is the 2008 Accord. Leather is busted here, but it's actually quite decent in the back. And I think this was a blue. The color was nice. It's a shame it ended up like this, but this blue is amazing. We found this panel here, but looking at it, we're not too sure that we're gonna take it because if you guys can see here, it's all smooth, so it's kind of been worn down. So that's why we're here at this Accord, trying to see if we can get this panel instead. They've already stripped it here. Are these custom wheels?
Those are Honda wheels.
Oh, okay. I thought they were custom. They look quite nice.
Yeah, they do look nice.
While he's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and check the prices because it's not too expensive here, and plus we get 40% off. So let's check it together. Okay, so here, get prices for quality used auto parts. Let's put the location. So one of them would be a headrest, isn't it?
Huh?
Headrest.
Yeah.
Okay, a headrest is $8.75.
$8.75.
Yeah, and then service fee is $1.07. This is what we come here for. Nice prices. So I think we got 4 of them.
5.
Oh, okay, nice. We got 5. And then obviously we got the panels, which I'm gonna check now, see how much they cost.
Are you talking about these?
Yeah.
It's like $14.
Okay.
Anything over 8 inches is $14. Same color, I guess.
We lit.
I think this only sucks because there's scratches. Do you mind the scratches or do you want? See if we can get
I would like a nicer one. Yeah. Happy with these ones though. They look very well maintained. This one though, we'll give it a clean. But besides that, it looks good.
pretty here, but
Yeah. This is better.
okay. Screws.
Yeah, that one's good.
That might just have to be another piece. That we
Okay.
did this little armrest here.
It looks very good.
That looks very good.
Mhm.
Alrighty. I got the Jada seal before.
We got so much stuff. Right now we're just waiting for Alexander to come back and bring us another wheelbarrow. Got all our trim pieces, and then we got these little bands as well, which go around each door. What we're gonna do here is get these dry cleaned, because I don't think we're able to take them off the metal right here, so we'll either get them steamed or dry cleaned. We got 5 of those. I think we've done pretty well. Home time. 1 wheelbarrow. 2 wheelbarrows. I'm gonna put it in here instead because it keeps falling out with the other one. We're only going there, so not too far. Wheelbarrow 1, wheelbarrow 2. Swag. Success! I don't even know how much you spent on all this stuff.
$193. It was gonna be like 2 something.
Okay. We got a lot of things though. That's gonna completely change the look of the interior. I'm not too sure when we're gonna put the interior in, but maybe once we sort out the mechanics of the car.
Oh, when we're gonna put it in?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably later.
Yeah. So guys, we're done at Pull Apart. We got so many things. Alex has just put them inside the truck. Let me show you. Loads and loads of interior pieces, which we caught in the sale, which is amazing. So maybe the next few episodes or so will show you guys us switching out the interior.
This is content for you, really, because you could do content cleaning all this stuff off.
That's very true. They're not terrible, but obviously it's been outside, so got some parts we need to clean off. So yeah, guys, we will see you in the next video. Bye.
Peace.